Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, my honorable judge and all audience. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let us say thanks to our Almighty God who has been giving us some victories and blessings so we can be in good conditions and happy situations in these competitions. Now, I want to tell my speech about the beauty of Lektoba. But before telling my speech, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rahel Adela Pangaribuan. I am from SMP 3 Laguboti. The title of my speech is about the beauty of the Lektoba. Ladies and gentlemen, Lake Toba is a beautiful lake which is located in Indonesia, especially in the province of North Sumatra, and is a popular place that usually receives many tourists. Lake Toba is surrounded by 8 districts, namely Toba, Samosir, Simalungun, Karo, Dairi, Kumbang and North Tapanuli districts. Lake Toba was formed by massive supervolcanic eruptions about 74,000 years ago, creating a giant caldera that later filled with water. This eruption is known as one of the large volcanic eruptions in Earth's history. Ladies and gentlemen, boats sailed peacefully on clear water, witnessing a dazzling glimpse of one of the world's heaven. If there are lakes and valleys of disease, it is here that residents lead us to delve into the magnificent beauty of the lake. But disease, valleys, and the internally enchanting lake that will always call and hear. Mountain and hill streets, entreating that Lake Toba area lake that Lake Toba area has well preserved and maintained resident views to this day. Lake Toba has regained its popularity as a national and international tourist destination after once again being chosen as the location of the F1 Powerboat and Aquaboat Jet Ski World Championship. Proves that this destination has its own charms. Its unspread nature in makes it still natural and cool. Balige itself, located at the end of the Toba, and it's the capital of the district. Balige is the venue of the International F1 Powerboat event and also the Aquaboat Jet Ski World Championship. Besides that, Lake Toba is suitable for water tourism and water sports, even having the potential for extreme sport activities sport. Ladies and gentlemen, here I will tell you some facts that prove that Lake Toba has very enchanting natural beauty. One of them is Siguragura Waterfall. On the shores of the Lake Toba, there is a waterfall that flows directly from Panatapan Toba, located in international of Siguragura village. Porsia district, the Siguragura waterfall, is also called the Siguragura waterfall, which means a river from heaven. The scenery around this waterfall will always will amaze who comes to witness its beauty. If the most people enjoy the natural beauty Sibia from the land road, but from the water road is very famous because of the statue of Jesus, which is on the top of the hill. The statue is the highest statue of Jesus in the world, with a height of 61 meters. Ladies and gentlemen, Lake Toba is not just a marvel of nature. It is also the soul of the Batak people, whose culture thrives around its shores and on Samosir Island. The Batak are proud. The Batak are proud and hospitable people, known for their vibrant traditions, soulful music, and unique architectures. Their villages are dotted with traditional houses. The pointed tooths soaring toward the heavens, adorned with intricate carvings that tell stories of their cake stores. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, Lake Toba is a masterpiece of nature, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Its unique features, rich history, and stunning scenery make it a truly unforgettable place. Let us work together to protect and preserve this natural wonder for future generations. For your attention to my speech, I say thank you so much.